Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about doping. Doping is defined as the use of drugs or blood product or any other methods to improve sports performance. The use of drugs to enhance the performance is considered as unethical and it is banned by the International Olympic Committee because IOC want a dope-free clean sports as well as drugs. It is harmful for the health of the athletes. Want to give equal opportunity to all the players and want a dope-free sports. Therefore, doping, the use of drugs, is banned by the International Olympic Committee. Doping methods or substance, it's harm the athletes and might be fatal. Drugs, doping are taken during the training or competition day. There are various types of doping. Doping is types of doping. There are three types of doping: drug administration, blood doping and gene doping. Drug administrations means use of drugs to improve the performance, like stimulant, narcotics, beta blockers, diuretics, etc. These are the drugs which is used by the athletes to enhance their performance. A stimulant like amphetamines, caffeines, etc. A stimulant make the athletes energetic. It make him active and energetic. Narcotics. It is a painkillers and make you it is act as a painkillers like morphine, opium, heroin, etc. Steroid is used for healing. It heals the injury very fast, like anaerobic steroid, estradiol, etc. Growth hormones is used to build the muscles, such as somatotropin, etc. And it is mainly used by the bodybuilders, wrestlers, etc. Beta blockers. Beta blockers, it's help to reduce the blood pressures, so it reduces the heart rate, such as blocking agents, beta antagonists, etc. Beta blockers is reduce the blood pressures. Therefore, it is mainly used by the athletes where the concentrations is required, like archery, shooting, etc. Diuretics, it's help in reducing the weight as it's remove the fluid from your body. So it is used in those sports where weight is required, like in boxing, judo, etc. With the help of that it's remove the fluid from the body and help in reducing the weight. Next is blood doping. Blood doping, it is also named as erythropoietin, EPO. In blood doping, it is the process of increasing the red blood cells. Okay, in blood doping, it is in blood doping means increasing the red blood cells. The extra red blood cells carry more oxygen from lungs to the walking muscles, thus enhance the endurance of an athlete. And doping is done by injecting the extra red blood cells from the donors or injecting his own harvested blood or taking drugs to increase the red blood cells. This is about the blood doping. Okay, blood doping means increasing the red blood cells in the body. If the red blood cells increase, it carry more oxygen to the working muscles, therefore it enhances the endurance. And blood doping, it is done by injecting the extra red blood cells from the donors or harvested on blood or taking the drugs to increase the red blood cells. Next is gene doping. Gene doping, it is defined as non-therapeutic such as cells, gene, genetics elements or the modification of gene to enhance the sports performance. It is actually altering the individual's human DNA index. These are the three types of doping: drug administrations, blood doping and gene doping. In gene doping, use of genes or modifications of gene, etc. Let's discuss about some prohibited substance and methods and their side effect. First, stimulant. Stimulants has direct effect over central nervous systems and cardiovascular systems. Therefore, it increases the heart rate and reduce the reaction time. It improves the work output ability by reducing the feeling of fatigue. It makes us more energetic and active. A stimulant helps to increase the endurance, speed, and the side effect of a stimulant are aggressiveness, violent behaviors, blurred vision, dizziness, irregular heartbeat, etc. These are the side effects of a stimulant. A stimulant. Some examples of a stimulant are caffeines, which are found in coffee, amphetamines, cough syrup, etc. This is about the stimulant. Okay, a stimulant, it is a chemicals which has direct effect over central nervous systems and cardiovascular system. It increase the heart rate and reduce the reaction time. It make us more active and energetic, improve the working ability. It increase the endurance, speed. It make side effects are aggressive, violent behaviors, irregular heartbeat, etc. Next is narcotics. Narcotics, it is a good painkillers. People take as a painkillers. These drugs make people sleepy and people slow and sleepy. Therefore, it is a good painkillers, and this is mainly taken by the long endurance. This is taken by the players, long distance running players. It increases the endurance activity. They help in long endurance activity. Narcotics are used to remove the pain during training, competitions, etc. To remove the feeling of restlessness and tiredness. The side effect of narcotics is it slow response, decline, loss of concentration, nausea, vomiting, etc. Steroid, it is good healing. It helps in fast healing, rebuilding of tissue, etc. Steroid, it is a strong chemicals which are used by the players during training period. It's promote growth and healing. Mainly it is used for healing the injury. These are effective for speed, power, and strength endurance. These are mainly made from animals, sex organs, etc. They increase steroid, increase heart rate, body temperatures, respiratory, body weight, muscle mass, blood circulations, fast healing, rebuilding of tissue, etc. These are the advantages of steroid, and its side effect are: it cause heart attack, cancer, liver or kidney cancers, infertility in female, male voice. If female take, it cause male voice, muscular body in females, hypertensions, aggressive behaviors, uncontrolled emotion, etc. These are the side effect of steroid. Next is growth hormones. Growth hormones is used for rebuilding of muscles. These are usually made from animals' hormones or proteins, and used for increasing the muscle mass, height, size of the body. And as a growth hormone, it is mainly used by bodybuilders, wrestlers, throw, jumper, etc. Its side effects are unbalanced height and size, posture deformity, bones may be defected, overweight, obesity, etc. Beta blockers, it helps to reduce your blood pressure. Reduce your blood pressures, therefore it helps to reduce the heart rate, reduce the anxiety, lower the heart rate, reduce body temperatures, reduce stress, and relax the muscles. Therefore, it is generally used by the player where concentrations are required, like shooting, archery, etc. And its side effects are seen in later age. Diuretics, it is a chemicals that is helps to remove the fluid from the body. Diuretics help to eliminate the fluid from the body. The persons reduce body weight in very short period because the fluid is eliminated. It's help to eliminate the fluid from the body, therefore it's help to reduce the weight in a very short period. And it is generally used by the players, wrestler, judo, boxing player, etc., where weight is measured. And the side effects of diuretics are natural appetite, malnutrition, undernutrition, body fainting, dehydration, etc. These are the side effects of diuretics. Next is blood doping. Blood doping, it is increasing the red blood cells. Blood doping means increasing the red blood cells. By increasing the red blood cells, it's helped to carry more oxygen to the working muscles. Therefore, it's helped to increase the endurance. It helped to improve the endurance. And the blood doping is done by injecting the blood from the donors or previous harvested on blood, or taking the drugs to increase the red blood cells. These are the some prohibited substance and their side effect. Okay, first things is a stimulant. It is a chemicals which has direct effect over the central nervous systems and cardiovascular systems. It make our body more energetic, active. It make us more energetic and active. It increase the heart rate and reduce the reaction time. Therefore it reduce the feeling of fatigue, tiredness, etc., and improve the endurance and speed. Its side effects are aggressiveness, violent behavior, dizziness, irregular heartbeat, etc. Narcotics, it is a good painkillers. It is a good painkillers. Therefore it is use therefore it is painkillers. It helps to improve the long endurance activity. These are used during the training and competitions to reduce the pain. And its side effect of narcotics are slow response, dizziness, loss of concentration, nausea, vomiting, etc. Steroid, it's help in healing. Steroid, it's promote growth and healing process. It's help to heal the injury. Therefore, it's improve the speed, power and strength of the athletes, and it is usually made for animal sex organs. It increase the heart rate, body temperatures, muscle, blood circulation, etc. And the side effect of steroid are um, kidney damage, cancer, heart attack, liver or kidney cancer, male voice. If the female take, it cause male voice, male body, um, hair seeding, etc. And growth hormones, it helps to increase the, it is used to build the muscle mass. It increase the height, size of the body, and generally used by the bodybuilders, throw like shot put thrower, wrestlers, weightlifters, etc. And its side effect, the side effect of growth hormones are unbalanced height, posture deformity, posture deformity, uh, overweight, obesity, obesity, bone may be defective, etc. And beta blocker is used to reduce the blood pressures. By reducing the blood pressures, it reduces the heart rate. Therefore, it increases the concentration. The player is able to concentrate. Therefore, it is used by the player where concentration is required. And the side effect of beta blockers uh, are seen in the later age. Diuretics helps to eliminate the fluid from the body. Okay, diuretics, it's help to eliminate the fluid from the body. So the persons can reduce the weight in a short period of time. It is mainly used in the game where weight is measured, like boxing, wrestling, judo, kickboxing, etc. Substance abuse and its side effect, like alcohol, tobacco. First, alcohol. Alcohol, the alcohol which we drink is called ethanol or ethyl alcohol, and is obtained by the process of fermentations or distillations. And like we take alcohol in the form of wine, whiskey, beer, etc. And the side effect of alcohol are in people. First thing, the people take the alcohol, they take as a medicine for fun, to relieve their to reduce their tension, stress, enjoyment, etc. All these wrong opinions come to end if we know about the effect of the alcohol. The effect of alcohols are like economic loss. Usually alcohol are costly. It causes great loss of the money. If a person is addicted, and it is very difficult and it is very difficult to leave the habit. And by taking the alcohol. If there is any health problems, then it causes extra burden on medical treatment of a person. Physical efficiency is lost. Regular intake of alcohols make the body sick, weak, disease, etc., which cause loss in physical efficiency of the body. Loss of sense. When we drink alcohol, it affects our sense organs. Therefore, the person cannot think properly when he drinks alcohol. Loss of memory. In an alcoholic person, the brain activities are reduced. The brain cannot remember the immediate happening, that is, his short-term memory is lost. Decline appetite. An alcoholic person cannot eat his normal diet, therefore his appetite gets reduced, which cause malnutrition, etc. Crime. Usually, alcohol has a direct relations with the crime. Most of the crime is done by the alcoholic person. Road accident. If the alcoholic persons drive, then is not able to control over the speed of the vehicle, which cause road accidents and kill many people. Unreliables. It is very difficult to trust the alcoholic persons because the promise they made under the alcoholic effect are often painful. So, alcoholic persons are unreliable. Disturbed family. Alcoholic persons paid less attention toward his family needs, which become the cause of which disturb their family life. These are the some side effects of alcohol. Okay. First side effect of alcohol is economic loss. Physical efficiency is lost. Loss of sense. Loss of memory. Decline appetite. Crime. Road accident. Unreliables and disturbed family. Next is kidney and liver damage. Alcohol cause lot of stress on the kidney and livers. It cause cancer and also its complete failures. Increased blood pressures. Alcohol increase blood pressures, thus the chance of heart attack, heart problems like heart attack, heart disease, etc. may increase. The alcoholic persons are aggressive in natures, overstressed, mental behavior, lot of headache, etc. Next is tobacco. The persons take tobacco in the form of cigarette, bidi, snuff, pan masala, hookah, etc. And the effect of alcohol are tobacco as a poison. Nicotine is a brain poison found in the tobacco. If one of the most deadly poisons known as men, only a half drop of pure nicotine can be lethal to kill a person, and there is no antidote for this poison. Okay, so it is very dangerous to take the tobacco because in tobacco nicotine is present, and this nicotine, it is a brain poison, and for this no medicine is available. Wrong habit. Usually people start taking tobacco to relieve their tension, worry, etc. A small amount of nicotine with the first wrong habit. Usually they take alcohol, tobacco, etc. to reduce their tension, stress, but it become their habit. Next is lungs and jaw cancers. Intake of tobacco bring toes along with the smoke, that is it causes jaw and lung cancer. Next is increased blood pressures. Medical research revealed that a single puff of cigarette can contract a smallest capillary, that is it increase the heart rate up to 20 beats per minute. Thus extra pressure is exerted over the heart and the blood vessels. Therefore there is a chance of health problem increase. Decrease in body temperatures. When the nicotine enters the body, it reduces the body flow, which reduce the temperature of the body approach 3 to 4 degree. Increase in sugar level. Tobacco raises the sugar levels in the body by reducing the efficiency of pancreas. Therefore there may be the chance of diabetes. Reduce lifespan. Smoking of one cigarette reduces human life by at least 11 minutes. Moreover, the health status decline. Wastage of money. A person who sleep to his habit or spend money. First thing is cigarette, as like alcohol, tobacco, it is costly and there is no benefit of this. Therefore, it is only wastage of money, and after taking this tobacco, if there is any health problem, then there will be the extra burden for its medicine. Only wasting of money. Reduce appetite. If the person start taking tobacco, pan masala, then their diet become affected. It also overstress the digestive systems. This results many health problems like stomach pain, constipation, gas problem, dehydration, etc. Pollution. It causes great pollutions by smoking. Reduce performance. The effect of tobacco causes a great loss of physical efficiency. The physical efficiency of the body will be reduced. These are the some side effects of tobacco. Next is drug addiction. Prescribed drugs and non-prescribed drugs. Drugs are chemical substance which alters the body and its functions, or also known as medicine. Drugs is also known as medicine. When we take inside the body, it brings change in the biochemical systems of the body. Therefore, it improves the chemical imbalance in the body. If there is any imbalance, drugs, first thing, drugs, it is a chemicals which change the body and its function. If there is any chemical imbalance in the body, then with the help of drugs, it helps to improve the chemical balance in the body. Therefore, it is also used as a medicine. Prescribed drugs. Prescribed drugs are those drugs which are used for improving the health. Drugs, it is not evil every time. They also save our life. Drugs reduce the effect of disease, sickness, etc. by covering the chemical imbalance. If there is any chemical imbalance, it helps to bring improvement. Therefore, drugs is also useful if we take in a right way, right manners. Next is non-prescribed drugs. Non-prescribed drugs are those drugs which are not prescribed by doctors, they use these drugs, and these non-prescribed drugs are used by the drugs addicted persons. Non-prescribed drugs, these are very harmful, commonly used by the drug addicted persons. The overdose of drugs or non-prescribed drugs is termed as drugs or non-prescribed drugs, is known as drugs abuse. If they take more drugs, if the overdose of drugs or non-prescribed drugs is known as drug abuse. If the persons become addicted towards the drugs, it becomes very difficult to leave this habit, and the addicted can only be stopped by strong determinations, hospitalizations, sympathy attitude by the family, friend, etc. Usually the persons take the drugs to remove their tensions, stress, loneliness, etc. But once they become addicted, then he or she cannot stop using. Then he or she cannot stop using it. They become slaves to the drugs, and it is only stopped by a strong determinations, sympathy attitudes, hospitalizations, etc. Usually, drugs addicted persons, if the drugs is not given, not provided to them, then the body start aching. He feel discomfort, body paining, etc. These are the about the drug addictions. Okay, prescribed drugs and non-prescribed drugs. Prescribed drugs are those drugs which are given by the doctors for improving the health, and non-prescribed drugs are those drugs which are taken by the drug addicted person.